Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify code refactoring with Codacy, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Codacy account. If you don't have an account, create one by signing up on the Codacy website. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Select the project you want to verify for code refactoring. Click on the project to open its details. On the project page, find the Analysis tab. This tab will show you the latest analysis results. Review any issues highlighted in the analysis report. Identify areas in the code that require refactoring based on the report. Next, open your IDE or code editor to make the necessary changes. Implement refactoring in your code according to best practices. Once you have made changes, commit your code to your version control system. Push the changes to your remote repository. Return to Codacy and trigger a new analysis for your project. This can usually be done by clicking the Analyze button. Wait a few moments for Codacy to complete the new analysis. Once the analysis is finished, revisit the Analysis tab. Check the updated report for any remaining issues. Make sure to compare the new results with the previous analysis. Continue the process of refining your code based on the feedback. Repeat the cycle of refactoring and analysis until you reach your desired quality. Finally, integrate these practices into your regular workflow for continuous improvement. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.